The emergence of Tesla's new Model 2 represents more than just the arrival of an affordable electric car. It marks the beginning of a silent transformation in how vehicles are designed and manufactured. Unlike previous models, this project is born with a fully integrated philosophy between design, engineering, and production, where each component is considered not only for its isolated function, but for the impact it will have on the entire production chain. In this context, even elements considered simple, such as the windshield, begin to play fundamental technological roles within the vehicle. This shift in mindset completely redefines the concept of modern automotive innovation. Over the years, the windshield has always been seen as a passive component, responsible only for protecting occupants from wind, rain, and external debris. However, in the Model 2, this part takes on a new identity, becoming a true technological hub integrated into the car's electrical system. This transformation doesn't happen by chance, but rather as a result of a carefully planned strategy to eliminate unnecessary complexities and reduce production costs on a large scale. By reinventing the role of the windshield, Tesla demonstrates that innovation is not only in large systems, but also in the most unexpected details. The technology developed for this new type of windshield is based on applying conductive tracks directly onto the glass, using highly efficient materials such as silver. These tracks are virtually invisible to the outside eye, as they are strategically positioned on the darkened edge of the windshield, maintaining the clean and minimalist design characteristic of the brand. Internally, however, they function as a complete electrical circuit, capable of transmitting energy and data with precision and efficiency superior to traditional cabling-based methods. This technological advancement is only possible thanks to an extremely sophisticated manufacturing process that combines conductive materials with inorganic ceramic binders. After application to the glass, the assembly is subjected to extremely high temperatures, exceeding 600 degrees Celsius, allowing the materials to permanently fuse to the surface. The result is a solid, resistant, and highly reliable structure, capable of withstanding the most demanding conditions without compromising its functionality over time. With this type of integration, the windshield ceases to be merely a physical barrier and becomes an active component within the vehicle's electrical architecture. Sensors, cameras, and heating systems can be powered directly by these conductive tracks, eliminating the need for additional wires and complex connectors. This simplification brings benefits not only in terms of performance, but also in reducing potential mechanical failures, since fewer connections mean fewer vulnerable points. Another important aspect of this innovation is the direct impact on the vehicle's energy efficiency. Because the conductive tracks have lower electrical resistance compared to conventional wires, there is a significant reduction in energy loss during transmission. In an electric car, where every watt saved makes a difference, this type of improvement directly contributes to increasing range and optimizing the overall system performance. Furthermore, the elimination of traditional cables significantly reduces the overall weight of the vehicle. While this reduction may seem small at first glance, on a large scale, it becomes extremely relevant. Every gram saved contributes to a lighter, more efficient, and more economical car, especially when combined with other mass reduction strategies adopted in the Model 2 design. From an industrial production standpoint, this innovation offers even more significant advantages. The absence of loose cables greatly facilitates the work of robots on assembly lines, which traditionally face difficulties when dealing with flexible components. With the new system, the windshield can be treated as a rigid and autonomous module, allowing it to be installed quickly and precisely without the need for complex manual adjustments. This change represents a significant advancement in the automation of the automotive industry. By transforming components into integrated modules, Tesla reduces the number of steps required in vehicle assembly, making the process more agile and efficient. This not only decreases production time, but also reduces operational costs, something essential to making an electric car more affordable for consumers. Another direct benefit of this approach is the reduction in the number of parts used in the vehicle. Fewer components mean fewer suppliers, less logistics involved, and a lower risk of failures throughout the production chain. This simplification is fundamental to ensuring consistency in quality and predictability in costs, critical factors in a project that aims to achieve millions of units produced per year. While the windshield evolves into a smart component, other areas of the vehicle are also undergoing significant transformations, driven by both technological innovation and global regulatory changes. A clear example of this is China's recent decision to ban concealed electronic door handles in passenger vehicles, a measure that has a direct impact on the global automotive industry. This new regulation arises as a response to real incidents in which electrical failures prevented doors from opening, placing occupants at risk during emergencies. The requirement for functional mechanical mechanisms, even in the absence of electricity, reinforces the importance of safety over aesthetics or technological convenience. For a company like Tesla, known for its futuristic and minimalist design, this change represents a significant challenge. The need to incorporate mechanical solutions without compromising the visual identity of the vehicles demands creativity and innovation from the engineering and design teams. Even so, the company is already working on hybrid alternatives that combine functionality and aesthetics in a balanced way. The impact of this decision goes far beyond the Chinese market. Since China is the world's largest market for electric vehicles, any regulatory change tends to influence global standards. Manufacturers wishing to compete in this market need to adapt quickly, which often leads to the adoption of these same solutions in other countries. Given this scenario, an important strategic question arises. Does it make sense to develop different versions of the same component for different markets? The answer, in most cases, is no. The logistical complexity and associated costs make this approach impractical, especially in large-scale projects like Model 2. Therefore, the most efficient trend is global standardization. By developing a single solution that meets different regulations, Tesla can simplify its supply chain, reduce costs, and accelerate the certification process in various markets. This strategy is essential to maintain competitiveness in an increasingly dynamic sector. This pursuit of simplification is not limited to individual components, but extends to the company's entire product line. By reducing its focus on older models, Tesla can concentrate its efforts on a leaner and more strategic range of vehicles, facilitating the implementation of new technologies more quickly and efficiently. At the same time, the company is advancing on another equally revolutionary front: automation through humanoid robots. The Optimus robot project, also developed by Tesla, represents a new stage in the integration between artificial intelligence and industrial manufacturing. More than a product, it is a key piece in the transformation of the factories of the future. The decision to convert the Fremont factory to produce these robots demonstrates the company's level of ambition. Producing robots on a scale comparable to that of vehicles is unprecedented in the industry, and shows Tesla's confidence in the potential of this technology to redefine production processes. While Fremont serves as a development and testing center, Giga Texas emerges as the main hub for large-scale production. Located in Austin, this facility combines advanced infrastructure and expansion capacity, becoming the heart of the company's automation strategy. The idea of using robots to build cars is impressive in itself. However, the concept goes further: robots building robots that, in turn, build cars. This cycle creates an exponential efficiency effect, where each improvement in the system directly impacts the entire production chain. Within this context, the Model 2 is not just another vehicle, but the first to be born fully adapted to this new production paradigm. Every detail of its design is conceived to facilitate automation, reduce errors, and maximize the efficiency of the assembly lines. The introduction of the Optimus humanoid robot into Tesla factories is not just a technological evolution, but a structural shift in how industrial production is conceived. Unlike traditional robotic arms, which perform specific and limited tasks, Optimus was designed to perform versatile activities, adapting to different functions within the assembly line. This means that a single unit can replace multiple processes, drastically reducing the need for human intervention in repetitive tasks. This operational flexibility allows factories to become much more dynamic environments. Instead of rigid and highly specialized lines, a more fluid system emerges where robots can be quickly reprogrammed to take on new functions as demand changes. This capability is essential in a scenario where production needs to constantly adjust to market variations without compromising efficiency or quality. Another crucial point is the ability of these robots to operate continuously, without breaks or physical limitations. While human workers need rest, food, and are subject to fatigue, Optimus can operate virtually 24 hours a day, maintaining a consistent level of precision. This significantly reduces total production time and increases the volume of units manufactured in the same period. This operational consistency has a direct impact on costs. Every second saved on an assembly line represents a significant cumulative reduction when multiplied by millions of vehicles produced throughout the year. In the case of the Model 2, which aims to be an affordable car, this efficiency is a key factor in enabling its competitive pricing in the global market. Furthermore, the use of robots reduces the margin of human error, especially in tasks requiring millimeter precision. Electrical installations, structural fittings, and assembly of sensitive components can be performed with a level of consistency difficult to achieve manually. This results in less rework, less material waste, and greater reliability in the final product. Within this logic, the Model 2's design itself was conceived to be automation-friendly. Complex components are replaced by simpler, integrated solutions, reducing the number of steps required in assembly. The windshield with embedded circuits is a clear example of this philosophy, eliminating the need for multiple manual electrical connections. Another key element in this strategy is the global standardization of components. By avoiding variations between markets, Tesla simplifies not only production, but also logistics and quality control. This allows the same assembly lines to be used for vehicles destined for different regions, without the need for complex adjustments. This level of standardization also facilitates maintenance and technical support throughout the vehicle's lifespan. With fewer variations in parts, it becomes easier to guarantee component availability and reduce repair costs, benefiting both the company and the end consumer. While automation redefines how cars are manufactured, battery innovation redefines how they work. The Model 2 will be equipped with an enhanced version of the 4680 cell, a technology that already represents one of the biggest recent advances in the electric vehicle sector. These cells are larger than those previously used, allowing for more energy to be stored in a single module. However, the real difference lies in how they are constructed. The technology known as tableless electrode eliminates the need for internal metal tabs, reducing electrical resistance and improving energy flow within the cell. As a result, the battery is able to operate more efficiently, generating less heat and allowing for faster charge and discharge cycles. This not only improves vehicle performance but also increases battery lifespan, one of the most important factors in the total cost of ownership of an electric car. Another significant benefit is thermal stability. In extreme conditions such as high temperatures or intensive use, the battery maintains more predictable and safer behavior. This reduces the need for complex cooling systems, contributing to the overall simplification of the vehicle. Integrating the battery as a structural element of the car is another important advancement. Instead of being just a component housed within the chassis, it becomes part of the vehicle's structure itself, increasing rigidity and reducing the need for additional materials. This approach eliminates redundant components, such as separate metal trays, resulting in a significant weight reduction. A lighter vehicle consumes less energy to move, which translates directly into greater range and better efficiency. Even with a smaller battery compared to more expensive Tesla models, the Model 2 achieves an estimated range of around 400 kilometers per charge. This is sufficient to meet the daily needs of most users, making the car a practical option for urban driving and moderate trips. Energy efficiency is also enhanced by a carefully optimized aerodynamic design. Every line of the vehicle is designed to reduce air resistance, minimizing energy consumption while driving. This type of refinement is essential to extract maximum performance from a smaller battery. Furthermore, the vehicle's energy management system plays a crucial role. It constantly monitors electricity usage, adjusting the operation of internal systems to prevent waste and maximize available range. When all these elements are combined, advanced automation, simplified design, efficient battery, and structural integration, the result is a vehicle that not only reduces costs, but redefines the standard of efficiency in the automotive industry. The Model 2 therefore emerges as a central piece in a much larger Tesla strategy. It is not just a product, but a reflection of a new industrial philosophy, where technology and production go hand in hand from the very beginning of the project. This integrated approach allows the company to move faster than competitors that still operate with traditional development and manufacturing models. By controlling every step of the process, from conception to production, Tesla is able to innovate more quickly and consistently. Another important aspect is the scale effect. The larger the production volume, the more the fixed costs are diluted, making each additional unit cheaper to produce. This principle is fundamental to the success of the Model 2 as a mass-market vehicle. With the expansion of operations at Giga, Texas, this scale becomes increasingly feasible. The ability to produce millions of units per year, combined with intensive automation, creates a scenario where the cost per vehicle can drop dramatically over time. This effect benefits not only Tesla, but the entire industry. As new technologies become more accessible, other manufacturers are pressured to innovate and reduce costs, accelerating the global transition to electric vehicles. However, the true differentiating factor of the Model 2 lies in how all these innovations are integrated into a single product. It's not about isolated improvements, but a complete system where each element reinforces the other. This synergy creates a multiplier effect, where small optimizations in different areas result in significant gains in overall performance. It is this combination that allows Tesla to offer an affordable vehicle without compromising quality or technology. As we approach its projected launch in the second half of 2026, it's becoming increasingly clear that the Model 2 could represent a turning point in the automotive industry. It not only expands access to electric cars but redefines the rules of the game. As the Model 2 launch approaches, it becomes clear that Tesla is not just introducing a new vehicle to the market, but rather consolidating a new industrial model that could completely redefine how cars are designed, produced, and distributed globally. Every decision made in the development of this project reveals a clear intention to simplify, integrate, and automate everything possible, creating a solid foundation for the future of electric mobility. This approach represents a break with decades of tradition in the automotive industry, where complex and fragmented processes were considered inevitable. By eliminating unnecessary steps, reducing the number of parts, and integrating functions into single components, the Model 2 demonstrates that it is possible to build more efficient vehicles without increasing complexity.